Hello, I'm Dr. Herbert Feinberg. I've used the ARTAS 9X robot for almost 9 years. Over these years, the company has done a great job upgrading the machine to keep it current. This new upgrade, the 9X Plus, is the most significant and best upgrade I've had. The robot now works better and more efficiently than ever before. There are 3 new features of the 9X Plus system. The first is the Ultra Punch. It's sharper and rotates at a variable speed, giving us more efficient dissections with less trauma to the follicular units. The second special feature of the 9X Plus system is the X-Tensioner. It's 30% wider than the original tensioner and allows us to harvest more grafts per grid in less time. It also locks so that pressure on the scalp is always even. The third special feature is the ARTAS 9X Plus kit. It's been simplified and has greater flexibility than the older kits. I think that anyone who's using the original 9X system should think very seriously about upgrading. I recommend it because it works better, faster, and lets us harvest better quality follicular grafts.